Miss Ladine?
Most
famous
must be David Foster.
Wow.
Yeah, di ba naman? Sa akin. Sa akin.
Chris?
Probably Chris Brown.
Chris Brown. Sir Benny?
Pwede ba dalawa?
Yes, sir.
Si Brian McKnight at saka si David Foster.
Wow. Talagang ibang level yung mga sagot nila. Ako naisip ko Taylor Swift. Okay, next question. What was your first paycheck making music or singing, and how much was it? Let's go back to, history. First ever paycheck. Yes, sir, Benny.
Unang bayan sa akin, when I start yung songwriting ko, kung hindi nyo lang alam, Aster, alam mo to, 300 pesos ang works in music. Ano mo yan?
150 lang dati.
150 na rumsa, pero inabot ko 300 na.
What a revelation.
What was that for? For what project?
That is an advanced royalty of a songwriter. Hindi ko pupunta against future royalties.
Oh.
Lahat yan, ganun ang practice during yung 80s na yan.
Advanced royalty, okay. Yeah. So that was the first. How about you, Chris?
My first paycheck, I was in the States and I was working with American producers that were writing songs for Backstreet and NSYNC. So
whoa.
I was doing demos for the pop songs that they would write.
Yes.
And the first check I ever got was $100.
Wow!
Whoa! Ang laki naman nun! Grabe naman! Ang yaman! How about you, Mr. Lee?
Sa States, wala yun.
Sa bagay. What year was that?
Oh man, that was perfect. 2001.
Ah, okay.
2000. No, I'm sorry, 2000.
2000, okay. NSYNC and Backstreet. How about you, Ladine?
Ako totoo. Okay, my first job was actually was in Jungguta Fontaine. It's called Beijing International Shangri-La Hotel.
Oh.
Okay, so I told you I was a lounge singer. So the first paycheck I got, my sweldo for ano naman yun?
First ever.
Gig, hindi yun, parang regular na. Is 1,300 US.
Whoa!
Pataas na.
But walang keme yun kasi sa hotels, when you do like gigs, ano ganyan. Oo, swerte ko pala.
Grabe.
Babe, sorry.
Number first?
Yeah, ever.
First ever.
I was the
First
lounge.
ever was what? 65,000 pesos? Agad?
Yeah.
Wow.
Ngayon ko na may imagine, swerte ko
Ang galing sa month ni Chris. Na-convert niya agad yun.
That was...
Pero sa buwan yung paghihirapan yung Chris.
Yeah.
For years.
Kasi every night you'll be
Kasi hindi
saying...
ko naman makukuha yung paycheck ko ng
So
first.
65 divided by 30.
Hindi naman one
No,
day.
by 5 nights.
Oo.
5 nights.
Yeah.
20 days, 20 working days yun. Pagkatapos ang set mo noon, 3 sets.
No, two sets.
2 sets every night.
Oh, yeah.
Madugo ng konting yung lounge. Pero
At least.
sa kanya, na-experience niya yung Reyna sa lounge. Kasi binibigyan siya ng magandang accommodation.
At the perks.
Oh, lahat, everything.
Comfy naman.
Nagdidildil kami sa buffet araw-araw. Pag pumupunta ako ng lasing, higig siya, binibisita ko. And you provided, everything is provided. And syempre, maganda yun. Nag-level up ka. Maganda US dollars din yun.
Yes. Okay. Naigit lang kami sa mga kinuwento. Okay, one advice that you learned from someone that up to this day you still use.
What advice?
Yes, one advice that you got from someone or learned from someone.
Ako muna.
Yes po.
Being a songwriter, kung yung position ko nung nag-uumpisa ako, meron isang songwriter na sabi sa akin, kaya kong sumulat ng 1,000 ng ginagawa mo. Gusto ko nang lumubog dun sa kinakata. Sa hiya. Ang feeling ko, but sabi ko sa sarili ko, kailangan na kayanin ko to.
Yes.
Susulat ako, hindi ako hihinto, magpapatuloy ako. Gagawin ko siya ng inspiration.
Yeah. So, ngayon ikaw na yan, Sir Benny Saturno. Nasaan na po siya ngayon? Sino po ba siya?
Parang sumalangin daw siya. That was kasi medyo senior sa akin yun. Matagal na matagal. He's a king and artist ang record nito. Hindi ko na sasabihin yung pangalan.
Hindi, sasabihin mo siya.
Pag baka bumabad yun.
Okay. Chris?
One piece of advice that I would always remember is someone told me one day that what's meant for you is meant for you. And over the past years, I have actually realized that because, when you start out, you want to do everything. You want lahat ng project gusto mo para sa'yo. Dahil even if it's for this person, gusto mo, bakit siya? Dapat sa akin yan. Minsan din yung mga project para sa'yo, biglang kinukuha ng iba. So I've also been analyzing that over the years. But back to what's meant for you is meant for you. Kasi parang what's meant for you will always come to you. Pag kinuha na yun sa'yo last minute, somewhere down the line in the future, babalik din sa'yo yan. Babalik din sa'yo, maybe even twice as more. So don't stress if you don't get the project because something is always going to be there for you.
Aww. Miss Ladine?
There's only one word which is accept.
Accept.
Yun lang naman, huwag kang magtatampo kasi
Accept and
hindi
share.
naman lahat, siyempre yung blessings, hindi naman araw-araw binibigay sa'yo ni Lord.
Yes.
So, ibig sabihin meron para sa iba, meron para sa iyo.
Yes.
Iba-iba ang blessing ng bawat tao.
Yes.
Miss Ladine?
Okay, sa akin, somebody wrote me a card, and I received that card doon sa down moment. So I read it, and it says, nilagay ko talaga, if you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. If you can't be the sun, be a star.
Wow.
It isn't by size that you win or you lose, but be the best of whatever you are.
Aww.
So, I always
The best of whatever you
I always
are.
think na, hindi ka man malaking malaki o maliit na tao ka, you have your own contribution in the world, right? So, maliit o malaki, galingan natin palagi.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
One last question before we finally go to the performance part. Okay. One love advice for those people who have been heartbroken, those who could not feel. How can they find the meaning of knowing what's within?
Mahirap yun.
Simulan niyo po ito siya.
Contestant number 1.
One love advice.
Ikaw muna. Ikaw na yung number 4
Who are broken. Who have been heartbroken. Those could not feel. Kasi may mga ganyan tao, di ba? Yung ang dami nagsasabi sa kanila, hindi ka matalino pagdating sa pag-ibig kasi hindi nila nararamdaman until somebody tells it to their face, di ba? Somebody has to tell you before you realize that you're actually foolish about someone. Di ba?
Lahat naman eh.
Aww. Love advice for those who are heartbroken. Parang hirap mo.
Love advice for those that are heartbroken and heartbroken, and it does actually coincide with the song Within. I've learned that the person that we are all looking for in this world, in this thing we call life, is yourself. So you always have to go within and love yourself, because whatever you do, whoever you are, whatever you're thinking, everything you see every single day is actually a reflection of what you are. So sometimes if you went through a heartbreak, that's actually teaching you something. Like, you have to learn how to not, what am I trying to say? You have to actually just love yourself. Ganyan. You really have to love yourself.
Not lose yourself loving somebody.
Ako agree din kay kailangan sarili.
I'll rephrase it.
Mahalin din yung sarili mo talaga. And of course, ang lagi kong sinasabi every time you're with the relationship, simple lang. Kapag namahal mo yung mga bagay na ayaw mo sa partner mo, yun ang pagmamahal.
Wow!
That is just so deep for Benny.
Always like he's writing a song.
Saan ang secret? Diba?
Actually, si Sarah Geronimo, nagsisik ng advice sa akin, yung relationship nila nung, alam mo na, siyempre hindi makapasok din sa Sarah. Simple lang. Kapag namahal mo yung mga bagay na ayaw mo sa partner mo, yun ang pag-ibig.
Wow.
Ang lahi. Napahinga ako. How about you, Miss Ladine? Okay, mas malalim itong babae.
Hindi naman. Sa akin lang kasi, whenever you experience like failures or heartbreaks, diba? Hindi talaga inevitable yun ang mangyayari because there's no such thing as yun agad. Swerte na lang pag one time, big time, right? Pero if you're going to experience yung masakit, learn how to trust the process. Hindi mo siya pwedeng madaliin because magiging failure ulit yung susunod. So you have to suffer. You have, namnamin mo talaga kung ano yung moment. Think about the future. Bakit nagkamali ka dito? Bakit hindi nag-work out yung ngayon? you have to analyze, and think within talaga. Kailangan manggaling sa sarili mo, hindi dahil in-advise ka ni ganito yan. Within yourself, you have to listen to that little voice from within. And then, things will work out fine.
And, of course, Chris.
Yes.